Are you having problems with your Facebook profile lock not showing and you want to be able to fix it? Well, actually, me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So actually what we're going to do firstly is to just close our Facebook app completely, and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now on this page, scroll down and click on general in here, and now it should now take you to this page. Scroll down in here and click on storage, as you can see. And by the way, this might sometimes take a couple of seconds to load, but now when it's done, we're going to scroll down and find the Facebook app in here. I think it's down here. I just saw it. Oh, perfectly. As you can see, here's my Facebook app. So I'm going to click on upload app, and then once again I'm going to click on upload app in here. As you can see, it's just going to keep loading here, so we're going to wait, and then we're going to click on the blue button here once again, because basically what will happen now is that you will now actually auto update your Facebook app to the latest version. And this, by the way, sometimes it might take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes to be able to actually update your Facebook app completely to the newest version. And after you have done so, you're going to go back into your Facebook app, and then you're going to check if the profile lock is now showing for you, because for me it was showing after I've actually done exactly this. So basically just wait a couple of seconds for this to auto update to the newest version, then go back into your Facebook app, and hopefully now you do have the lock option.